Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today I've got the pleasure of taking you through a brand new 2025 Harris Sunliner 250. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a camel interior, navy outside, exterior. You can see we've got the dual helm chairs, big loungers, storage up on all the way underneath here. Who doesn't want a ottoman slash cooler? You can move around the boat. Again, storage all the way around here. USB chargers with light up cup holders all throughout the boat. Nice large port side dock door, comes equipped with the quick release bumpers. Again, dual helm chairs, single lounger. You come to the helm, you've got the JL audio system, subwoofers, Simrad screens, phone charger, phone holders, nice smooth gauge cluster. This lounger here will fold back. It'll also fold flat, making it a full on lounger. And we've got equipped with a 12-foot bimini, powered by a 300 horse Merc. Again, this is a 2025 Harris Sunliner 250. Jeff at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, 573-606-3035. Have a great day.